Hi, in this video I want to show you how to enable wireless debugging. This is to connect your Android device to your PC. The first thing we have to do is go to Settings and enable Developer Options. For this we go to About, Software Information, and press 7 times the build number. If it asks you for password, insert and you will see a message showing Developer Option enabled. And at the bottom of the settings, we can see a new option called Developer Options. Inside it, we can find the options USB Debugging and Wireless Debugging. If we go to Wireless Debugging, we can see the IP and the port we can connect our device to our PC. Notice that both your PC and your Android device have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now in the description I will leave you a link to a program that I developed to make easier connect your Android to your PC. For this, press the link and go to Releases and download the most recent. Once it's downloaded and uncompressed, you will have an executable. I recommend you place it in a folder and pin to taskbar. When we open the program, we have to locate the Platform Tools folder from the SDK for Android. The folder should be located in a directory similar to this, but if you don't have the Platform Tools, you will get a link in the description to the Android developer page where you can download it. Now we have to pair the device. You only have to do this one time per device. To make this, we go to Pair Device and place the value in the fields. Once this is done, click on Emparejar. As you can see, the PC paired correctly. And the last thing we have to do is copy the IP and the port and click on Conectar. And the device is already connected. If we go to Android Studio, we can see our device is connected to launch applications. And if we click on Desconectar, we can see the device disappear. Now I recommend pin this program to taskbar for an easy access. If we open the program again, we can see we don't have to load some fields as the Platform Tools directory or IP. This happens because the Platform Tools and IP are fields that doesn't change every time. Maybe if you reset the router, you will get a new IP. If it happens, you just write the new IP and it will be saved. Now, what changes every time you enable debugging options is the port. So every time you open the program and enable wireless debugging on your Android device, you will have to put the port in this field and click on Conectar. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below.